My question is, how was beloved Huzoor able to achieve certainty in the existence of God? Did a specific event occur that solidified your belief in God?
Achha, very difficult question. You see, as I have told in one of my answers in your Ahmediyya, I was brought up in such an atmosphere where environment was such that I never felt that God does not exist. So even my personal experience is that from the very childhood, I knew that for all my requirements and desires, or to get anything, I'll have to bow before Allah Ta'ala and ask Him to give me these things, beseech His help. And when I was grown up at the age of 14, 15, then I experienced myself. There were some occasions when if Allah Ta'ala had not helped me, I would not have succeeded even in my secondary school examination. That strengthened my faith. And even after that, there were so many occasions when I was going to get my master's degree. Then at that time also, I was very much anxious and I was not feeling comfortable. So at that time, Allah Ta'ala comforted me by showing me one of the revelation of the Prophet Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, and that satisfied me. And it proved to be the right dream which I saw. So it again strengthened my faith. So there were so many occasions I've experienced from the childhood to today that Allah Ta'ala is showing His signs. Right?